And without further ado, let's take a look here at the Lanky. What is the Lanky all about? We got CJRB's zipper pouch here. Ooh, hold the phone. What in the toothpick are we looking at here? We'll get to that in a moment. We got a wiping cloth and just a nice cushiony inside here on the zipper pouch. But this is interesting, right? Right, there's a whole category for knives like these. They are called CEO style knives, right? They kind of look like a pen, right? Kind of almost doesn't look like a knife unless you know you're looking at a knife. Otherwise, it could blend in as like a pocket pen or what have you. And this one absolutely scratches that itch. Very slim to say the least, right? Very nice and skinny, intentionally. So we're looking at aluminum here on the scales. And this is also interesting too, how this one scale is a little bit longer here, so it can close the gap. Kind of gives you an integral feel without being actually technically an integral knife. Pocket clip is reversible, right? With a nice T8 hardware here, you could turn it around very easily. Funny that we don't have any hardware on this side, and it's all hiding under the pocket clip. All 3 screws right there, which is a nice, interesting touch. We have this blue with this sort of bronze looking pivot and thumb stud, right? Not thumb studs, but thumb stud, just one of them. Again, one of many knives I'm recently seeing with one thumb stud. What is the deal with one thumb stud instead of 2? I thought it was, you know, already a proven formula by now to have 2 instead of 1, but here we are. We also have a front flipper on this one, and without further ado, let's go ahead and get it deployed. If you're ready, I'm ready. Bam! Holy smokes. Not only is it skinny, but it's also my favorite kind of geometry too. Talk about a stretched out, skinny Warncliffe blade. Holy macaroni. Sign me up. What in the world does it say here? Happy as Larry. I'm not sure if that's like an inside joke or not. Happy as Larry. Future me put that steel on the screen. Last time I checked, Happy as Larry is not a steel composition. Unless, hey, you know, I'm in for something new entirely. But definitely loving the geometry, and it does match the handle pretty good. I mean, it kind of looks like toothpick style, right? Again, definitely fitting that CEO aesthetics all throughout. We have a liner lock here. All right, let's take a look. Nice and easy to disengage. Well, we have good access here from the show side. That liner is going to be engaging there at, you guys be the judge, maybe like 10%, 5-10% or so, right? Very, very minimal, right? So definitely has plenty of life there left to go. And then I think it is, yeah, absolutely feels like it's on ball bearings. And nice drop shot action there. Test that front flipper. Okay, actually feels pretty good. And it's interesting, the acoustics here, it sounds very unique because it doesn't have that much of a hollow handle, right? The handle is very skinny by default. Now I like that the jimping does go all the way around here to the top. That absolutely makes it work very well. Reach around, absolutely. Side of the index finger. Okay, we could make that work as well. Thumb deployment with the front flipper. Oh yeah, all day, every day. So very, very interesting knife to say the least. Of course, you know, somebody's going to be out there like, I need a thicker handle, right? That handle is too skinny for me. Listen, fam, this knife is either for you or it is not, right? If you, maybe, you know, you're doing like a church carry or like a wedding carry or something like that. Maybe you're on a suit and you don't want to really carry a bulky knife. I mean, it's very, very lightweight to say the least. Something like this, again, you slide it into your suit pocket or what have you. That's why it's called CEO, right? Because, you know, maybe you're dressing up or whatever and you're looking for a knife that's not going to take up a whole lot of real estate while still giving you, I mean, in this case, we're looking about quite a chunk of blade there, quite the cutting path. So you can still get some work done there for sure. The Lanky from CJRB, guys. Let me know your thoughts on this one in the comments. I think this one released a minute ago. I'm just happy I finally got a chance to check it out here in the channel, and it feels pretty good for what it is. Maybe the reason they didn't do a thumb stud on the other side, maybe it was a little bit challenging, but maybe not. So hope you guys really enjoyed this one. If you made it to the end, you're the real MVP. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. Take care, and I'll see you on the next one, either this one or this one. Peace.